up, YouTube? It's Ray. We're back with another video. This is gonna be another fall eyeshadow look. I'm doing this like green soft eye look. I got started with priming my eyes with just some concealer. Now I'm going in with this little Wet n Wild palette that you guys have seen me use so many times, and I'm going to start laying down my transition color, and I'm doing this in a windshield wiper motion, and I want to say this is like a tan brown almost. This is the lightest brown of the palette, and I'm laying that down first. You guys are going to notice that I'm laying down these colors in sort of like a gradient effect. You don't have to lay down this many colors if you don't want to, and yeah, you don't have to do that. I just did it because I wanted it to look really well blended out, and I wanted it to be easier to blend my eyeshadows. So next I'm going in with this like sort of like mahogany brown, and I'm taking that basically right on top of that other shade that I added. You guys, I'm not perfect with eyeshadow. You do not have to be either. I'm actually applying this, in my opinion, like really kind of messy because I just really did not know where, even though I already had the other eye kind of done, I really didn't know where I wanted to go with the look. So I was just kind of, and y'all, to be honest, this video was filmed at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I was a little bit sleepy, okay? So next I'm going in with this, like, this is like a true brown. I know you probably can't tell in the camera, but this is like a true brown, and I'm going over top of that, right on top of that mahogany, and this is basically just going to add some depth to the look. And if you notice, I'm applying this in sort of like a C shape, because I don't know if y'all know this or not, but I like looks where like the inside of my eye be one color and then the outside of my eye be a different color, and it's just a lot of depth. Honestly, I don't know the name of what that's called, but I just like it, and I do a lot of my eye looks like that. So that's what I'm doing to kind of give me that look, which is what I did on the other eye. And you got to be careful with browns. I did switch to a smaller brush because I don't want this like all over my eye looking all crazy, looking all muddy, which is why we started off with the transition. Now we're moving on into this green shade, which is in this palette that you guys have seen me use as well. This is the palette that I got from Ipsy, and we laid the brown shade down. Then we added this green shade because it just provided a smoother transition. If we would have laid that green down on top of that mahogany, it would not have looked right. I tried it before, it didn't look right, it ain't look blended. So yeah, that's how we went in with the brown first. Then I'm just using a flat shader brush to pack this green on. It doesn't really have to be in any sort of rhyme or reason. It don't have to be neat, you just want to pack it on. After you get that green on, I am blending the brown and the green together, just making sure there's no harsh lines, getting everything all smooth and whatnot. And I'm adding a little bit more brown, and I'm not gonna show y'all, but well, I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm not gonna show y'all the color that I use. But after I add that brown, I'm actually going to go into a black right there. Right here is where I'm adding the black, and I'm adding the black because the brown just was not adding the level of intensity that I wanted. I wanted to be like real, like a lot of depth. So that's why I went in and added this black on top. And I believe I'm using the same brush, but if you're scared of black, just go in with a light hand and switch to a smaller brush, and that'll make it work for you. Now I'm going in with the same color that I used for those transition shades for the mahogany and the brown, and I'm blending out the outer edges of my eyeshadow because I don't want any harsh lines, and I want everything to have like that kind of like smooth blown out effect on the outside of my eyes. So that's what I'm doing, just going all the way around. It did get kind of messy, y'all, so I had to go in with my makeup wipe and clean it all up. Now I'm going in with like, I don't even know what this brush is called, but it looks like a paintbrush on the end, and I'm basically adding the same colors from the top of my eye to the bottom. And I'm starting out by tying in that dark brown. I didn't do the black, but I tied the dark brown into the outer corner. Next, that shade that you see me doing on the inner corner is that green. And I'm trying not to take the green all the way to the outer edge. I'm trying to keep the brown on the outer edge and the green on the inside. Then I'm going in with that mahogany again and like a little bit of a more fluffy brush and going under the brown and the green to blend those out so it's not harsh, and again so that it can tie in the mahogany that we got on the top of our eye to the bottom as well. Next, I'm going in with this, like, it's like a bright, like 24 karat, like gold type color. I'm putting that on the inside of my tear ducts with a small pencil brush because, you know, it's a very soft, you know, I ain't gonna say soft glam, it's not all that, but it's kind of like a soft look. So I wanted to like do a little bit more, so I put that in the corner of my eye. I'm showing y'all the lashes that I use, which these are like the lashes that I use all the time. I get them from the beauty supply store. They only $2.99. They come in a variety of styles, but I have been leaning more towards more natural eyelashes lately. So that's what you guys see me doing. Eyelash is a struggle gang. So I'm struggling with it, but you know, I got them on, you can't tell. And I'm putting on my mascara, same one I always use, the OG but goodie. And you guys, that is pretty much it. This is a very simple look. I did this eyeshadow pretty fast, kind of just slapped it on, you know, but you can't tell that I slapped it on. It's just I wanted a very effortless look, but I really wanted to do something with the green, so here we are. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.